Hi, I'm Dan, the service advisor here, and with daylight saving coming up, we're going to be showing you how to change your clock in your transporter. It's all done by the buttons here, just by the dash. So your clock's displayed here. It's all controlled by these two buttons here. Use this button, initially to take us to the clock setting. Button on the right to change through your hours, to cycle through upwards. We use this one again to change us to the minutes. Again, cycling upwards through the minutes till we get the right time. And once you're all happy, click this button and it's all confirmed and all done for you. So we've come out to the crafter now and we'll show you how to use it in this one. So we'll just switch on, we go to the setup button here, and we use the right stick to scroll down to the time and select there. We use this one again to go into the time. Use it again just to confirm we want to change the hours. Again, cycling upwards through the hours, we can go backwards as well. Confirm the hours and then go back into it again. Scroll to confirm the minutes, scrolling through the minutes, and once you've got where you want to, click to confirm and it's all changed for you. Thank you very much for watching today. If you have any further questions at all of anything we've run through, just give us a call here at Listers. Thank you.